Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sum values by date only without including the time. Let's get started. Excel has functions like SUMIF and SUMIF to sum data by group. But if your data is includes time steps like this, Excel treats each one as a unique value even if the date is the same. So those functions won't work properly in this case. But don't worry, to fix it you can use a combination of some product and functions like this. Just type like this, some product, and then select your value data like this, and then type asterisk sign, and then and function, and then select your date data like this, and then equal and select your specific date like this, and then enter this. After this you can drag the formula like this. Okay, and your data is now summed correctly by date. Okay, that's it for today. If you have any question, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next tutorials. See you next time.